Okay, so now I am going to do the problem related to income and expenditure and balance sheet. Okay, so you look at this question. Receipt and payment account is given. Aditya, Basil, Adi, turn on your video. Receipts and payment account. It is given. Then information. Sixth question. Anila, any problem? Okay. Receipt and payment account. Then additional information also given. Okay. First, you have to look additional information. Subscription outstanding. Last year also, this year also there. So outstanding subscription at the end. Add or less, Aparna. Outstanding subscription
Sir,
at
add.
yes.
Add.
Then opening less. Next second adjustment on 31st December 2017, salary outstanding, there is adjustment at the end. Outstanding salary with the salary. Pavitra, what you have to do? Add or less? Outstanding salary at the end. Adi, Anjo, full basic on your video. Pavitra, add or less? Outstanding salary. Add or less with the salary. Add or less.
Add.
Yes, add. Next one. 1 month rent paid in advance. 1 month rent paid in advance. You look at 1 month rent paid in advance. Prepaid expenses. Prepaid expenses. 1 month rent paid in advance. That is prepaid expenses. Here they given 1 month rent paid in advance. 1 month rent paid in advance. So means in the payment side, one rent it is given. In the payment side, one rent it is given. That is for 13 months. That is 13-month rent. So we have to calculate 1 month rent. How we will calculate? Here it is given that 1 month rent paid in advance. 1 month rent paid in advance. Okay, 1 month rent paid in advance. So in this case, how to calculate? How to calculate 6,500 amount it is given in the payment side. This is for 13 month. So you will get 1 month rent. 500. Okay. If it is 2 month rent paid in advance means 6,500 divided by 12. Clear? Then we will get 1 month. If it is 2 month means 500 into 2, 1,000 prepaid. Otherwise, in this case, 2,500 less prepaid. Prepaid rent. Clear? Clear? Here, second adjustment is given. 1 month rent paid in advance. 1 month rent paid in advance. You have to look in the payment side any rent. Yes, 6,500. So 13-month rent we paid. That is 1 month paid in advance. You do the month, we will get per month how much rent. Okay, next one. Third adjustment they given on 1st January 2016. Furniture books, that is opening item. Opening item. Whenever we prepare opening balance sheet, it will use. Okay, so that is a third one. On 1st January 2016, the company owned the furniture books. That is opening assets amount. Opening assets amount. It will come opening balance sheet. Opening balance sheet. Okay, now. So now we will do the problem. So first we will prepare income and expenditure account. So you look at the payment side item, general expenses, newspaper, electricity, fixed deposit, percentage it is given. When we deposited that date also given. So for calculating interest, You have to consider that one also. Books, salary, rent, postal charges, furniture, receipt side, subscription. Last year, this year, next year, sale of old newspaper, sale of old newspaper, then sale of government grant, sale of furniture, book value, sold value, then interest received on fixed deposit. Interest received on fixed deposit. So we will do the problem. First, we will look at payment side. First one, general expenses. Where it will come? Pavitra, everyone turn on your video. Expenditure or asset where to general expenses. You can write fast. No other adjustment. To general expenses, 3,200. Newspaper, Femina, where it will come?
Sir, asset.
Okay, newspaper, sale of newspaper, income, newspaper expense. Okay, small amount no. Then we can't use for a long period. Today's paper you can use only for this today's newspaper. So 1,850. The less amount. Next, electricity. Karthik, where it will come?
Expenditure.
Yes, to electricity. No adjustment. To electricity. 3,000. If any adjustment is there, we will adjust. Next one, fixed deposit. They given 10% per annum. So fixed deposit is asset, but interest by interest on fixed deposit. If any adjustment is there, already I said. First, we have to calculate the amount. First, we have to calculate the amount. How to calculate? 18,000 into 18,000 into 10 percentage. 10 percentage into how many months? When we deposited 30, 31, 6, that to balance sheet date, how many months? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 months into 6 by 12. So we will get 900. Okay. So Shubham, understand? 18,000 into 10 percentage into deposit to maturity date. Maturity date, sorry. It's not a bill of exchange. Balance sheet date. Balance sheet date. Balance sheet date. Okay. So we will get 900. Then we have to look in the receipt side, any interest on fixed deposit. Aparna, any interest on fixed deposit?
No, sir.
No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 450.
So then 450 will be what?
Sir, accrued interest.
Add accrued interest on fixed deposit. 450. So 900. So by interest on fixed deposit, add accrued interest on fixed deposits. Next one, books. Femina, books. Expenditure or asset? Books. Femina.
Sir, asset expenditure.
Correct, correct. Asset only. Yesterday also I asked the same question. So books asset. Next salary. So everyone know that is expenditure. Salary. So here one adjustment is there. Outstanding salary. So First, you have to know the adjustment. So here adjustment is subscription, salary, then rent. Subscription, salary, rent. Then opening only. That's no problem. Okay, salary 3,600 and outstanding salary. Add outstanding salary. It is given in the adjustment outstanding salary 600. So 4,200. Next one, rent. So rent also adjustment is there. Prepaid to rent 6,500. Already we calculated 1 month. Which one prepaid only? If it is 2 months, 500 into 2. If it is 3 months, 500 into 3. So, but that divided by that you have to write. Prepaid rent 500. Next, postal charges. No adjustments are there. To postal charges. To postal charges. To postal charges 300. To postal charges 300. To postal charges 300. Next, furniture. Furniture, Shubham, expenditure or asset, furniture.
Asset.
Very good. Next one, receipt side we have to look at. First one, subscription. By subscription received. By subscription received. So here adjustment it is there. Subscription by subscription. So amount, current year amount you have to write. 31st December 2017. So 2017, 26,500. Now I will teach one concept. Here closing is there. Closing we can add, no problem. Outstanding subscription. Outstanding subscription at the end. At the end. Outstanding subscription at the end. It is given 1,500. 1,500. Okay. Here, opening outstanding subscription in the beginning it is given. It will not come. Why? So it is a 6 mark, 8 mark question. Here, outstanding subscription opening it is given in the adjustment. You have to write less outstanding subscription in the beginning, but it will not come here. Why? So you have to look at adjustment they given outstanding subscription in the beginning, at the beginning. But in the receipt and payment account, last year any subscription this year we received. Suppose 2,000 it is given outstanding subscription at the beginning. Then receipt and payment account, this year we received last year subscription 1,200. Okay, if it is given, it will not come income and expenditure. Clear? Okay, it will not come income and expenditure. So this is last year outstanding subscription. From that we received 1,200 this year. If it is there, it will come. If it is not there, it will come. Less. If it is 2016, 1,200, it is not there. Then you have to minus outstanding subscription in the beginning. Otherwise, it will come closing balance sheet. Closing balance sheet means outstanding subscription. 2,000 we have to get last year. Out of that 1,200 we received. So remaining means while preparing opening balance sheet, outstanding subscription 2,000. While preparing opening balance sheet, opening means last year closing, outstanding subscription 2,000. Down, if it is not given, what we are writing? This amount only we are writing, opening balance sheet. If down opening subscription it is given means it will come, 2000 will come. Okay, 2000 will come, opening balance sheet. Then 800 will come, closing balance sheet. Clear? It will not come income and expenditure. This is the 8-mark question. This is the pattern. That only you have to, nothing else. Then subscription received in advance, it is given inside the receipt and payable account. It will come only closing balance sheet. Closing balance sheet. That there we have no any adjustment. Adjustment if it is given, then only received in advance we have to adjust. Clear? Clear? Anila, any doubts? Okay. Okay. Now 28,000. Okay, no need to list outside subscription. Next one, sale of old newspaper. That no adjustment. Sale of old newspaper. Sale of old newspaper. So we have, you have to know the expenditure and the income of a not for profit organization. I don't write the heading. So 1,250. Government grant. Ancho, where it will come? Government grant. Yes, by government grant. 12,000. Next, sale of furniture is there. Book value 5,000. Sold value 3,700. In that, any item we have to write in income and expenditure account. Karthik.
To loss.
To loss on, down you have to write to loss on sale of furniture. 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 So if you have any doubt, you can ask those who are absent in the last class. If you have any doubt, you can call me at any time. So 1,300. So one thing you have to remember, you must know the all the content. Then only you will get full mark. So loss on sale of furniture. Next, interest received on fixed deposit. Already we wrote. Over. Okay, now any other adjustment? Now this third adjustment is related to opening furniture. No depreciation, nothing. If it is depreciation is there, we have to write. income 42,150. Correct. Income 42,150. $42,150. So, to surplus. Excess of income over expenditure. Excess of income over expenditure. No. Expenditure, okay. So answer not correct. Surplus,
22,300.
yes, 22,300. 22,300. 22,300. Now opening balance sheet. Now opening balance sheet. The balance sheet as on year 31st December. So 1st January. You're getting 1st January 2015. That is 17 only. Okay, next sir. Opening balance sheet. Balance sheet as on. Balance sheet as on. Here closing date 31st December 2017. That is 1st January 2017. Okay, 1st January 2017. So, first item, Anila, while preparing opening balance sheet. Opening balance sheet also, closing balance sheet also. First, Femina, yes, correct. Cash in hand. Then cash at bank. Amount also you tell, Anila. Cash in hand.
3,000.
That is closing cash. Okay, closing. That it will come closing balance sheet. So amount. Cash in hand. Anila. Opening. Anila. Cash in hand. Anat, amount of cash in hand.
4,000.
Just 4,000. Cash at bank 15,550. Okay. Now in this question, if you are doing Last question means no adjustment was there. Last year no amount it is there. Last question means we will take 2016-17 subscription 1200, but here no need to take 1200. So because already down it is given outstanding subscription. If down outstanding subscription in the beginning it is not given, then 1200. Otherwise 2000. Any doubt? Okay. Suppose last question we did outstanding subscription, we will write 1200 because adjustment they didn't give outstanding subscription in the beginning. So last year we have to get 2000. Okay. If this is not given means last year we have to get 1200. Clear? Anjo? Anjo? Then we'll continue. So outstanding subscription. Then you look that in the receipt and payment account, any other item related to 2016. Karthik, any item? Receipt and payment account.
No, sir.
No. Now we have to look at adjustments. First outstanding subscription already we wrote. Then second adjustment current year only. Then third adjustment that is related to that is 1st January 2017 only. On the base of your question textbook. So that is opening amount, opening date only 1st January 2017. Furniture. Furniture is asset or liability. The same date. Furniture. Same amount. Opening we have 12,000 furniture. Books, asset, books, asset. So for preparing capital fund, they given this information 5,000. So this amount will be capital fund. Capital fund. Amount. First we have to look receipt and payment account. Then adjustment, any last year item. Here it is given.
38,550.
Yes, 38,550. 38,550. 38,550. 38,550. Balance in figure. Okay. Now closing balance sheet. So that's 716, 711, 12, 15, 16. Okay, this is opening balance sheet. Now closing balance sheet. Balance sheet as on. Balance sheet as on 31st December 2017. Balance sheet as on 31st December 2017. First we will look we will write the items on the base of opening balance sheet. So here cash in hand, same. Then cash at bank, that we will write first. Cash in hand, then cash at bank. Anila, amount, closing cash in hand, cash at bank. Amount you tell? 3,000. 8,000. 8,200. Next item, outstanding subscription. So whenever we write outstanding subscription, first you have to look at income and expenditure. Income and expenditure account you have to look at. Income and expenditure. Income and expenditure account. any outstanding subscription at the end. Yes, 500 at the end. Add item to the current year. 1,500. Then last year. Why we are writing last year? Suppose if opening amount it is not given. Listen here. If adjustment opening not given 2,000. If opening not given 2,000, then opening balance sheet it will come 1,200. Closing balance sheet it will not come. But if adjustment opening amount it is given 2,000, out of that this year we received 1,200. So still in arrears. Okay. Any doubts? Aditya, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So outstanding subscription it is over. Current year and last year still we receive 800. Next, furniture. So whenever we are writing the asset, you have to look at payment side anything. If the payment side is there, plus purchase. If the receipt side is there, less sale, book value. So furniture we will write. Furniture 12,000, same amount. Any purchase, Aparna, payment side, any purchase.
Yes, sir.
So add purchase 10,500. So 22,500. Any sale of furniture less sale, book value, because those we wrote in the expenditure, book value 1,000, book value, sorry, 5,000. So 22,500. 5,000 minus 22,500 minus 5,000. So 17,500. Okay, furniture. Then you have to look at payment side. Asset. Then you have to look at payment side. Plus purchase. Plus. Whenever we are writing any asset, when the payment side is there, plus. Finish the side is there, less. Now, next one, books. Books. And it payment side, anything which is there, any books.
Yes, sir.
So that is add or less. Add or
Add.
less? Yes, add. That is purchase. Payment side, any item it is given, that is purchase. Books, add purchase 7,000. Okay, add purchase. Books, add purchase 12,000. Now you have to look over asset side over. Now capital fund. Now capital fund. Capital fund. So here also answer is surplus 38,550. 550. Add surplus. Add surplus. Already we calculated 22,300. So we get 3,850. Okay, so we looked at the opening balance sheet. Then we did the which one adjustments. Now you have to look at any other item we left or not. So first we will look the payment side. Any item we have to write. Karthik, any item?
No, sir.
You look at that fourth one. Okay. Fixed deposit. Fixed deposit. So fixed deposit, 18,000. So whenever we write fixed deposit, you have to look any adjustment, accrued interest. Only 450 accrued. Now any other, it's already wrote, furniture we wrote. Then receipt side. Ancho, any other item, receipt side. Receipt side. Anyone? Subscription, anything it will come? Subscription.
Received in advance.
Yes, sir. Subscription received in advance. Subscription received in advance. After doing two properly, you will make it perfect. Then you will teach me. So subscription received in advance, 500. Next one. Subscription received in advance. Okay. Now adjustment you have to look. After looking at this first one, outstanding subscription, we wrote outstanding salary. Where it will come? Outstanding salary. Shubham, outstanding salary. Where it will come? Asset or liability?
Liability.
Yes. Outstanding salary liability, 600. Next, prepaid rent. Semina, asset or liability, prepaid. You have to look income and expenditure. That adjustment you have to adjust. That much only. Otherwise, we have to look at the question. Next, any other item? It's a deposit we wrote, accrued interest, prepaid rent, outstanding salary from adjustments. Over. Okay, first you have to look at the opening balance sheet, then you have to look at the payment side, receipt side, then adjustments, So already we adjusted this outstanding salary. Okay, in income management, that you have to look at. Same like final account, with the end adjustment it is there, that it will come. Outstanding salary at the end, liability, prepaid rent asset, accrued interest asset. After looking the payment and receipt. Okay, don't forget to write subscription received in advance. Total. Starting total.
Sir, 61,950.
Yes, 61,950. Okay.